following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Discovering Carbs!
Hello Carbonatics! Today, we will know more about carbohydrates. So, what is carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is the most abundant biomolecule on Earth. It is one of the main types of nutrients. The American Diabetes Association noted that carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. Now, what elements do carbohydrates comprise? Kyra?
The name carbohydrate reveals the chemical makeup of this nutrient class. Indeed, carbo means carbon, while hydrate means water, a combination of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. All carbohydrates, including sugar, contain the same three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Different arrangement of these elements can form single units to make different types of carbohydrates.
Ah, Kyra, you look so beautiful today!
Thank you!
Doc Alperez from India is on the phone right now. Hello, Doc.
Oh, hello there, my friend.
I just want to ask you, what are the subunits or monomers do carbohydrates made of?
Okay, listen. The monomers of carbohydrates is the monosaccharides. These are sugars that cannot be hydrolyzed further to yield simple sugar. Some monosaccharides are isomers. It means that they have the same chemical formula but different arrangement of atoms. Danley?
Thank you, Doc Alperez from India. Now, where can we find carbohydrates? What kinds of foods? Guada? Guada?
Sorry. As we mentioned earlier, carbs is one of the most essential biomolecule in our body. We can find it at dairy milk, yogurt, and ice cream, whole fruit and fruit juice, rice, crackers, and cereal. Starchy vegetable, potatoes, and sugary sweets also consist of carbs. But you need to have limits on intaking such as soda, cookies, and other desserts.
Thank you, Guada. Now, let us know the function of carbohydrates in our body. Ivy?
The primary role of carbohydrate is to supply energy to all cells in the body. Many cells prefer glucose as a source of energy versus other compounds like fatty acids. It spares the use of proteins for energy consumptions. It breaks down the fatty acids and preventing ketosis. In contrast, the hormones glucagon secreted into the bloodstream by pancreatic alpha cells upon sensing falling levels of blood glucose. Danny?
Thank you, Ivy. Now, let us know the chemical structure of carbohydrates. Jemima?
Yes, Danley. All carbohydrates contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. There are three types of carbohydrates: the monosaccharides, the polysaccharides, and disaccharides. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are smaller molecule which is more important to glucose. Glucose is 6-carbon carbohydrates. When it dissolved to water, it can make a ring model of glucose.
The examples of monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, and galactose.
Next, the disaccharides. Disaccharides is 2 monosaccharides combined together through dehydration of synthesized reaction. When it dissolved to water, it can lose water molecule.
The examples of disaccharides are sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Polysaccharides are polymeric carbohydrate molecules composed of long chains of monosaccharide units bound together by glycosidic linkage. The examples of polysaccharides are starch, glycogen, and cellulose.
Thank you, Jem. Now, the most intelligent and credible doctor, Dr. Micah Gray, is live here in our studio. How was your day, Doc?
I'm fine, Mr. Danley. I worked a lot in the slums in Tondo, Manila, and it's poor. I always taught myself to look for the beauty in it, to look for the beauty in the faces of the children.
Wow, that's not my final question. My question is, what makes carbohydrates so special?
Strenuous muscle activity, or the so-called anaerobic work, uses only sugar as a source of energy. If you eat neither carbohydrates nor proteins, you will use your own body's proteins as a source of blood sugar. No sugar, no life.
Thank you, Dr. Micah Gray, for being here in our show.
Kapun ka!
And that's the facts about carbohydrates. Join us tomorrow for a new topic here in Discovering Carbs! Yay!
Discovering God!